There is an expression now that is commonly used about these so-called internal conflicts, which are not really internal, because they have connections to the outside world. Laughter is a form of internal jogging. It moves your internal organs around. It enhances respiration. It is an igniter of great expectations. Alcoholism is a disease, but it's the only one you can get yelled at for having. God damn it, Otto, you are an alcoholic. God damn it, Otto, you have loopies. One of those two doesn't sound right. Success is not the result of spontaneous combustion. You must first set yourself on fire. Manners are one of the greatest engines of influence ever given to man. Whenever our neighbor's house is on fire, it cannot be amiss for the engines to play a little on our own. Fire and swords are slow engines of destruction compared to the tongue of a gossip. The foodstuff, carbohydrate, is essentially a packet of hydrogen, a hydrogen supplier, a hydrogen donor. And the main event during its combustion is the splitting off of hydrogen. I shed many a tear when the steam engines went out of style on the railroads. I'd like to seen them come back, but I realize the diesels are more efficient.